What is up, the real Lehos? I am back as another vlog. Today we're doing school in class.
Kind of sucks. But.
Who needs class? Later today we're going to Lax, cause Lax and shoes, nice. So we'll see you then. Hair flip transition now. All right, that was cool, guys. So we're back right now. Steven's gonna do something cool.
Okay, guys.
Steven, sing now. Go.
Ba 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 parade.
Ba 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 parade. Ba ba.
So good.
I'm just
Over here, you see my beautiful artwork behind this
beautiful artwork.
thing because it was so bad.
Behind
But
the scene.
right here is my.
Right here.
It's me and an owl.
I guess you could call him Ace of Spades.
Oh, thank you. Follow me at
I guess plug on 3.
No, do that for the
Ready, guys?
clickbait. Just like,
Plug your
Clickbait.
Instagram right now. Instagram.
follow me.
At Garrett Element.
Follow
At
me. Will that let
Garrett Element.
We were looking at my beautiful artwork.
Hair transition, go. Oh, that was a fun journey. Cool. Alright, well, for that, I guess I'll just lax, because you know what I say. Lax and shoes are life. Got the fresh Alpha Bounces on. Some everyday shoes. Woohoo! I got a package. I opened the package, and it was a helmet, lacrosse helmet, because Lax is life. Yeah. Well, I'm going to now. That was fun-ish, I guess. So, end this vlog because there's nothing to do. So.